In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a podcast. All a podcast is an audio recording that can be played in a mobile device such as an iPod or an MP3 player. It's actually quite simple to create. First thing you need is obviously a microphone, so make sure that's plugged in. Then you need to make two free downloads from the internet. The first is Audacity, which is a free audio recorder. There's other audio recorders that you could download from the internet for free, but this is very user-friendly. The other thing that you need to download is a switch audio converter, and this is going to be how you change your file from Audacity from a WAV file to an MP3 file that can be played in an iPod or an MP3 player. Once you've downloaded your programs, first thing you need to do is open up Audacity. And this is really easy. Assuming your microphone's plugged in, you just hit record, and then it starts recording everything that you say. So for the purposes of this, we're just going to say something like, Wayne Journell is great. And after you're done, you just hit stop, and then go to File, and then hit Export. At that point, it allows you to save it as a WAV file, which you can play on your computer. So just save it as, give it a name, and I'll give it a name as Test Audio, and just hit Save. And if you want to put the artist's name here and say it's Wayne Journell, but that's totally optional. And then you just hit OK. At that point, you can exit out Audacity. You can click No. And our WAV file here is on our desktop. And if I double click it, and then it starts recording everything that you say. So for the purposes of this, we're just going to say something like, Wayne Journell is great. And after you're done, so you can see what we recorded is there in a WAV file. Now the problem is, the WAV file you can play on your computer, but you can't play it on an iPod or on an MP3 player. So we need to convert it to an MP3 file. So then you're going to open up your switch audio converter. And again, this is really simple. You want to add your file. So our file is test audio. This is the one we just created. And then you're going to want to make sure you have the right output format. I think the default is MP3, which is what we want, but you could change it to something else if you needed to. And figure out where you want to save it. I'm just going to save it to my desktop and then hit convert. And it did it really quick. Just exit this out. And now we have an MP3 file. That you can play on your computer, but more importantly, you can upload this to Blackboard or an internet site, and students could then download it and play it on their iPod or their MP3 player, which really gets at the anytime, anywhere aspect of online learning.